The Odisha government has stepped up efforts to refund money to small cheat fund with depositors. The finance department has urged all eligible small investors to take advantage of this opportunity, noting that the refund process will remain open until January 31, 2026. An official notification states that all small depositors should apply for the refund within the stipulated period. This includes those recommended by the Inquiry Commission who have not yet received their refunds, as well as investors who had deposited up to 10,000 rupees. Additionally, depositors who had invested up to 8,000 rupees in the Golden Land Developers Group of companies and were not refunded in the first phase are also eligible to claim their money. Eligible depositors are advised to contact their respective revenue inspectors with the required documents. Once verified, refunds will be disbursed within 15 days. For more details, a government helpline number is available at 0674 239 5153. Reacting to the move, State BJP President Manmohan Samal said the government is fulfilling its election promises and added that refunds to large depositors will follow in a phased manner. Meanwhile, the cooperative minister criticized the previous government, alleging that chit fund scams had occurred during the BJD regime and affirmed that the BJP government is determined to return the money to depositors.
क्षुद्र जमाकारी संख्याटा खूब बेसी नुहे क्या मदन मोहन दास कमिशन जो तालिका देते 7 दफार 7 लाख जमाकारी कागज चेक करते आउट ऑफ 30 to 33 लाख डिपोजिटर एफिडेविट ता भीतर 4,90,000 पर्यंत थिला होची तालिका ता भीतर ऑलरेडी 3 लाख पाखापाखि क्षुद्र जमाकारी पाई सारछ तेणु जो माने पाई नथिले तांका पई सरकार होची घोषणा करथिबार मु सरकार साधुवाद जणाउछि किंतु निवेदन करी डबल इंजिन सरकार मुख्यमंत्री को मोहन बाबू को जो कथा प्रतिश्रुति देते क्षमता को आसवा पूर्व क्षुद्र बृहत समस्त जमाकारी को तहसिल जरिया चिन्हट करेंगे और चिन्हट करके से हाथ दबा कथा आम दाबी करूँ केबे आम दाबी करूँ से कथा संपृक्त कंपानी जो असाधु कंपानी संपत्ति जबत करवा चिन्हट करवा और जमाकारी को तहसिल जरिया चिन्हट करके तारी भित्तिरे क्षुद्र बृहत समस्त जमाकारी को फेरस्त दबा से प्रक्रियाटा को त्वरान्वित करेंगे यही निवेदन करेंगे आह्वान देवी।